Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we will talk about, or we would see how we can create a regular expression pattern which would match only one word or two word or three word and so on. This is particularly useful when you go to Google Analytics and you want to create an advanced segment in analytics where you try and get a report of only those people who visited your website with one word keyword or a two word keyword or three word keyword and see their behavior pattern as to how many people convert and the other reports that Google Analytics gives you, right? So in this lesson, we'll go and try and create a regex pattern to match exactly them. So like always, I go to regular expressions, which is regex 101, a wonderful tool. So now, right, if you understand, a lot of people come to my site and they use one word keyword. Sometimes they might come like this, they might come like this. Thank you very much, right? So I want to really find only those people who came to my website using one word, so I can create an advanced segment in analytics. So here I'm going to show you the pattern that you use, and this pattern you use it in advanced segments in analytics. Go select keywords, and in the keywords put this pattern. It will only get you those keywords where the keyword only includes one word or two word or three words, and then you can put all of them together and see how the behavior of the user changes based on the keywords they enter, the number of keywords they enter, the number of words in a keyword they enter, right? You see. So what I'm going to do is here, remember I told you already. So first one is character. So whenever people type in something, whenever it's a keyword, people don't start off with dot or space or what do you say, or people don't start with hyphen. They definitely start off with something called as a proper text, right? Proper word character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into character classes, and here I'm going to put something called, okay, but before that let me put dollar, let me put caret and dollar. Now here I'm going to put escape dot and then dot. So when I write this, what will happen? It will only match whenever it's a space, you see, whenever it's a dot, whenever it's hyphen. But a word does not start with dot or space or hyphen. It will start with a proper word character. That's why what I'll do is I'll negate it by using the caret symbol inside the classes. So when I do that, what will happen? When I do that, what will happen? Whenever I type in one word, one letter, it will match. But if I type in, it will not match. Why? Here I am writing for only one character, literally one single character. That means this one will match anything which is not space, anything that is not dot, anything that is not hyphen. Why it will not match? If I remove this negation, then it will match anything that is space, anything that is hyphen, anything that is dot. But I don't want to match that. Why? A word character does not start with these things. It will start with a word character. That's why I put negation. That means anything you type A, anything it will match. But it will match only one character, right? You see, T, H, it will not match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one or more times, that is plus. Plus means a quantifier which will match the pattern one or more times, right? So that means now if I type in thanks, it will match. But when I give space, it will not match. Why it will not match? Because here space will not be considered. It is one or more times of the preceding character. What is preceding? Anything that is not space, not dot, not hyphen. That means any word character, any number of times, right? But when people enter one word, they write like this. But imagine a scenario where people enter two words, right? Like this. Or let me, thanks, it's matching. But if I say thank you, it will not match because it is the space. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to put something. Okay, let me put into a proper capture group here. So I'm going to put something like this. That means after one word, you generally give what? Space, or you might give, or sometimes people might give this, or sometimes people might give this, right? Why? Sometimes people say thank dot you, thank space you, or thank hyphen you. So I want to put, right? So I'll give it plus here. So now when I do that, thank, it is matching space. Any number of space it matches. Now if I give dot, it will match. When I give hyphen, it will match. Why? Here it is matching anything that is a word character, and then it matches space or hyphen. Because whenever people enter two words, they either give a space or a dot or hyphen. So that's what I'm trying to match. After that, what they do, they start entering some other thing. Thank you. It is not matching because I did not write a pattern to match this. So what I'm going to do is here, I will put something else again. The same thing like we did here. The same thing. Caret. Because when you start the second word, it is similar to what we wrote here. right? That can be anything apart from slash s, which is white space, or dot or hyphen. So you see, so here I'm going to put hyphen dot, and I put this. Now when I type in, it will match thank you. You see, earlier it was matching thanks. Now it is not matching thanks. It is matching thank you because it is two words. Now what if I say, if I give 0 here, which is another quantifier. You see, after this, what if I give 0? It will match only thanks. It is not matching thank you. Why? The whole thing is in the capture group, and that capture group has to be 0 times. That means when I put like this, it will only match one word character, one word keyword. But if I put 1 here, it will match 2 word. If I say thank you, it will not match. Why? It is only matching one time. If I put it 2, it matches minimum 2. That means first one is matching by this, and the whole capture group is matching 1, 2 times. You see, if I put it 3, what is going to happen? It will match all those keywords which are 4 word. So this way, what you can do is you can copy this whole regular expressions, go to advanced segment in Google Analytics and try and filter with 0. When you try and filter with keyword 0, it will only get you those keywords where user entered your site with only one word. If you put 1 here, it will only get you those keywords or those users who entered your website by typing in a keyword where it contains 2 words. Right? So this way you can find whether people who come to your site with long tail keywords perform better, or short tail keywords perform better, or 2 word keyword performs better, or 4 word keyword performs better. So this is exactly what you can know, and this is highly used in the world of digital analytics or Google Analytics to identify the behavior, and that's how you can take that data and then go do SEO for those keywords which are long tail or short tail, or maybe go to Google Ads campaigns and then start to bid effectively because you understand whether 2 word people are converting more or 3 word people are converting more. In analytics, you'll find the data of which keyword converted, right? But imagine there's so many keywords, so again it becomes typical, difficult. So in that case, you can simply use the regex pattern. Regex pattern will match only those words who fall in the particular matching criteria. Remember, regex is created to match a pattern. Here I'm trying to match only those pattern of words which are 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, 4 word, and so on. So I hope you got it. You can try the same expression by going to analytics advanced segments and try and find keywords who fall in this particular category. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next lesson with something different.